your girl. That was ugly. I am in grad school. Why? Being on a magazine cover is like a huge milestone to have before the age of 25. So I still can't believe it. Like, it's so surreal. Hey guys, it's me, Stephanie, aka Steph B, period. That was ugly. Okay, I'm never doing that again. I am back. Finally, I know it's been a long time since I've made a video in this channel. It's been a long time that I felt like making a video in this channel. I don't even know if anybody is gonna watch this video, but if you clicked it, hey girl, hey, or hey guy, hey, thank you so much for tuning in. I am returning to YouTube in 2022 with a whole new vibe, a whole new look, a whole new life, honey. Okay, a whole new quality, darling. This is the year. 2022 is the year. I feel really good and I'm ready to like really create some content, step into my purpose, okay? And just live life. There's so much going on in the world and I just want to do, I want to be, I want to create. So I am coming back to YouTube in 2022 and I am super excited to share with you guys everything that's been going on in my life and just to give you guys some tips, advice, tutorials, all that good stuff. I'm about to be 25 in less than a month, okay? My birthday is in February and I've grown so much. I have grown so much and I've learned so much and I have so much to share. I've survived the first quarter of my life. What? I've lived for a quarter of a century. Wow, I'm honored. Thank you, Lord. I made it to 25. So since I'm going into a whole new quarter of my life, the second quarter, my channel is gonna get a fresh start. I've been feeling kind of stagnant for the last couple of years because, you know, I kind of grew into this era of YouTube as a teenager and as a young adult going into college, like being a makeup guru and like doing all these tutorials and stuff was the big thing. And when that started to die out, I still hadn't like peaked as an influencer. So it kind of feels like, why am I still doing this? Nobody's watching makeup tutorials anymore. Nobody's watching hair tutorials anymore. All of this stuff. And then I started to go into film school. I got rejected from film school. So I had to pivot into journalism. And I was trying to mix journalism with film and they weren't having it. And then I was like, well, how is beauty and fashion and hair and how am I gonna mix all of that stuff together? I've had like a conflict of interest and I felt like I had to choose one or the other, or I had to put a certain type of content here and another type of content on another platform or on another channel. But I've decided that you guys are gonna get all of me, okay? Everything is gonna be here. I am no longer gonna try to fit myself into a box in terms of YouTube, in terms of career, anything. Like there's so many different layers to me as a person and to everyone as people, and I don't want to only focus on one thing. I love fashion, I love beauty, I love hair, but I'm also a photographer, I'm a filmmaker, I'm a film student, but I have a degree in journalism. I'm finally ready to blend all of these things together in the pots and be confident in knowing that I can be and I am all of these things. I'm ready to accept and be confident in knowing that this bird is just trying to take, this ain't your channel, bird, okay? Oh, I hope y'all can hear that bird because he got a little attitude. He gonna be a guest on the channel. You stay over there. I'm finally ready to accept and be confident in the fact that I am all of these things and I can be all of these things. I don't have to pick one. I don't have to be in this box. I don't have to fit a standard. I'm all of these things. I am me, and I am ready to put all of that out into the world. So this channel is going to become more of a lifestyle channel with more vlog style content of my life as a film student, of my life as a young woman living in LA and trying to find her way through life in general, and also behind the scenes of me running my own business and trying to start my own production company and finding clients, and just that challenge alone of like not wanting to work full-time, because I don't want to do that. That's another reason why I'm here. I'll still have my beauty tutorials, my hair reviews, and all of that cute stuff because I am a material girl. Material girl. I'll be doing those type of tutorials. I'll be doing more lifestyle home stuff because I like to be at home, and I have been at home since the pandemic and Omarion. So we're gonna do some home stuff, as well as like showing you guys how to take your own photos if you have your own business, how to take photos of your products, and all that, how to edit and all that technical stuff. And just as a super quick update, in terms of what's been going on in my life, we all know what happened in 2020. Moving on. During that time, I graduated from college. Obviously, the last couple months of school were remote, which sucked. And then the following year, last year, 2021, we had a huge graduation ceremony at the SoFi Stadium in Inglewood. It's a brand new stadium. Huge, like literally only the best for me, right? No, seriously, it was a great ceremony, and I ended up being on the cover of my college's magazine. Like, look, I'm on the cover of the magazine in the back. Okay, you see that? You see, look, you see the little hips? No, look at the hair. Shout out to Kelsey. This wig, honey, the wig. That's my hair. Like, yeah, insane. You guys can read the whole article on LMU magazine. And I guess I kind of got to go backwards because during the pandemic, I created a capstone project about natural hair discrimination. It's called Defending Our Crowns. It's a documentary where I interviewed 3 women about their experiences in acting and modeling, and how different hairstylists had issues doing their hair, or how they had issues getting jobs or getting work because of their natural hair textures. So make sure you guys check that out. But that is how I got this cover. And maybe I'll make a whole video about that because I still can't believe it. Like, it's so surreal. So going back to my college graduation, that's when this was released. So I got to school, or I got to the arena, the stadium, and my face was like, these magazines were everywhere. My face was this big on like this poster, and they had a video of me playing in the arena, and whew, it was a lot. It was a lot, but it was like, I felt amazing, and I'm glad that I was able to tell my story and the stories of other women. You have to check out the documentary. You can check out the article as well to get a better understanding of why this is so special to me. But yeah, this is the highlight of 2021 for me. And then on top of that, I am in grad school. Why? No, I'm in grad school because I got into the school of my dreams, the #1 film school in the world, or in the United States. I don't know. They're the top school. USC. I am a student at USC, and I'm in debt, but I'm happy to be here. No, yeah, so I got into grad school, and I started grad school last fall. And I'll probably make another video on this as well. But yeah, I mean, so much is happening between then, but those are really the 2 big things. So thank you guys so much for sticking around, especially if you're a subscriber and you chose to watch this video. Thank you so much for being on this channel and for supporting me. I hope you continue to watch my videos moving forward. Be sure to follow my Instagram at XOStephBell, where I will also be posting more lifestyle and day-to-day content over there. And leave me a comment letting me know what you guys want to see from me. What kind of content do you want me to post? What do you want to know about me? Just leave a comment and I will try to make that happen, make it shake, make it move, make it crack, jack, and pop. What is it? Crack, jack, pop. Crack. It's a crack. Snap, crackle, pop. That's it. Make it snap, crackle, pop. Make it snap, crackle, pop like Rice Krispie treats. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you soon. Peace and love.